Okay. I'm coming on behalf of Roy Trivedi, he's the resident coordinator here with the UN, and we are providing a copy of the World Health Organization guidelines on the how to handle deceased, to support the customs, traditions, etc. We are giving this to the Minister's Health, Interior, and yourself, and we just hope it helps when everyone is trying to find a solution. And Mr. Roy is offering civil support to all the parties, including you, if you need any help or information or advice. So he just asked me to come and comes to some resolution. So there's a lot of information in there. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. I hope that you understand the situation. Following all the problems, all the millions of dead, millions and millions of people that are affected by COVID, we are also very worried about the 1 million people. That is why I hope that you can also help our people there. To what I feel is, after all of this, I will go there with the Ita laos ganyan. Ita laos final. Ano quero que ajuda, né? Tá vendo? Distanciamento. Laguna, Luneri.
Ikaw, ihe mo po, bahay ko sa ministro na mabaka rin siya.
Orsida ka, aban?